Hello everyone. So Microsoft is now releasing the out-of-band update KB5086672 as build 26200.8117 and 26100.8117 for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2 to address an installation issue with the current non-security update available through the stable channel. So on March 26, the company released the update KB5079391 with the features and changes that are expected to become part of the April 2026 security update. However, soon after the release, users who decided to install the update early began noticing installation issues with this particular update, so the company quickly stopped offering this patch. Now, Microsoft is offering the update KB5086672 as an out-of-band update that fixes the error 0x80073712 with some update files are missing or have problems. We'll try to download the update again later. Message while installing the previous update. So now the newest package contains all the quality improvements from KB5079473, which was released March 10, 2026, and also for the KB5085516 released on March 21st, 2026. And it also includes all the changes from the KB5079391 released on March 26, which is no longer offered. Now, if you don't install updates until after a patch Tuesday becomes available, you don't have to do anything. However, if you want to install the upcoming fixes and changes early, the next time that you click the check for updates button, you will get the KB5086672. And that's it. Now, let me know if you encounter the error 0x80073712 trying to install the latest update of Windows 11, and what are your thoughts about Microsoft continuing to release updates with bugs, even though this one showed up before the final release. Also, remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.